For years, manual and automation testing lived in separate worlds. Today, we erase that line. What if every manual test run could instantly become automated? Hi everyone, I want to quickly demonstrate the AI test recorder for you. See that purple button at the top. Let's start recording by clicking the button. Next, click Create New Test Case, enter a website URL, and start recording. TestFirst quickly prepares the first few lines to open up a Chrome browser and visit the website. To record a click on the Sign In button, simply choose Click and then hit the Sign In button. Here on the left, we can see that AI has generated the line for me, which accurately describes the action, as well as the description of the interacted element and its location on this page. I will now record 2 typing actions to fill in the sign-in form. Okay, I'm done. So do you think this whole manual run is recorded as automated? Let's stop the recording and play the whole thing from the beginning. Seems like succeeded, but where's the proof?